everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of Shits and Giggles. My name is Kai.
And I'm Robin.
What are we doing here today, Robin?
We're doing breakfast, folks.
Yeah, you got a lot of crazy ingredients. Can you tell me about the ingredients?
It's eggs frittata.
Eggs frittata.
Yeah, we got asparagus, we got goat cheese, we got spices, we got eggs, we got shallots, we got spinach, we got green. We got it all, folks.
What's this maple
mustard?
Maple mustard. Wow, great. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, folks, let's get started. We'll start with eggs. That's 12 eggs. They're large size, a dozen, folks. We crack them. We put them in a bowl. Make sure the bowl's clean. Then we find a whisk, and we whisk them up nice and smooth. There we go. Then we start adding stuff. We're going to add fresh ground pepper. Then we're going to add the garlic powder. Then we're going to add the Dijon mustard. Then we're going to add the salt. We give that a stir. Then we start adding other stuff. Chopped green onion. Chopped asparagus. Okay, keep on going, folks. And the spinach. Don't forget the spinach. Give that a stir. Add the cream. Give it another stir. Make it nice and smooth. Ready for the pan. Make sure that pan is well greased, folks. Don't want it to stick. That's when things start getting ugly. Make sure it's nice and smooth and evenly. We add the shrimp. We layer that. All over. Make sure everybody gets some. Yeah. Then we start adding asparagus. That's the spears, folks. Add them all. Put them all in there. You'll find room. It's going to be so good. Then we add the goat cheese. Preheat our oven at 375. You slide that in nice and gentle. Cook that puppy for 23 minutes. Put it in there. Oh yeah, just like so. Close the door, and who's your daddy?
Robin, this looks amazing. Like, this is so healthy looking too. I mean, it smells terrific.
I put shrimp in it.
Yeah, I see that. I just can't wait to get into that. So, all right, let me grab the plate. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Let's just dig into it. How's that? I got a piece of shrimp. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna put a little bit of salsa on that. Licked my fingers. Sorry about that, but I'm gonna wash it right away.
Oh man!
What?
What?
You were quick on the draw there. I'm going to.
Oh. What do you think?
Wow, that's incredible. Guys, you got to do this recipe. It's in the recipe spot of our YouTube channel, Shits and Giggles. So make sure that you subscribe and like.
Do that first.
And seriously, have a look at this recipe.
Share it.
Okay.
Thank us later.
Perfect.
See ya.